Right, Nathan. So 4 weeks ago, you came in with a cut, and we said, yeah, if you're gonna make it on the college team, you gotta take that out, and we need to start drawing. So let's look a little bit at the graphs. This is, well, this is today, so it looks good. But this is this is where you were at 4 weeks ago when you came in. You had like a 3.5 cut. Now what that means is the rotation has to be kind of weird. You have to compensate for the cut. So you were rotating very little on the backstroke, and you were rotating a lot on the forward stroke. Now that we change you to a draw path, which is by the way perfect, you're at 1.7 inside out, and you have a 96% consistency, which is really good. It's really hard to get that on the path. Now that you're there, your rotation is now much more balanced. So you're rotating the putter open 5 degrees to closing it 9 degrees on the other side. Now how did we achieve this? Was just by really changing your posture. When you came in, if you remember 2 weeks ago, if I was to put this, you were set up for a cut. So we said, okay, let's make you square. Today also you came in and I realized that you were addressing all your putts on the toe of the putter. On the heel, I'm sorry. Was it on the heel?
In the heel, yeah.
Yeah, on the heel. So what that did is that you had to do something to compensate to hit it in the center, because that's where it feels good in the center, right?
Yeah.
The other thing we say on the putter position is we look at this. Go ahead and take your address. And let's move this around. Sorry. Move your legs. There you go. That's perfect right there. So when you came in, you were leaning a little bit forward. We said just set the putter, and wherever it sets, it's neutral. That's where we want it to be. Because the more you upset that, the more you have to start compensating. When you start compensating, it just gets worse and worse week after week or day after day in tournaments. The other thing I wanted to talk about from this view is just, yeah, right. When we said 3 weeks ago, we said start hooking it, and I said do overdo it. Just come back 3 weeks from now, and then we'll tone it down. So when you came in, go ahead and show your stroke when you came in, like very far inside, right on the backstroke, to out very far outside, 4 degrees. And now your new stroke, where we said just take it down the line for the first maybe 4 inches. Up to here, it's down the line, then it goes inside nicely, right? When you do that, now you're down to like a 1-2 degree inside out stroke path for impact, which is exactly what you want. Did I miss anything, Nathan?
No, I think